G'day, here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, still covered in the clay that it's found in, or this is almost sandstone. It's quite hard, they call it steel band sometimes. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, rule's in millimetres and it's been wetted. You can see the opal encrusted in the it's almost sandstone, this material. I'm not really selling it for you to cut, but looking at this might be thick enough to try to do something with it, but really it's being sold as specimens. You can see where the cracks have been, it's been filled with opal. Sometimes shops like to have this sort of stuff. It's not a big outlay to have it sitting as a display pieces amongst the jewellery. Quite nice bright pinks here, multicoloured, again seams running through. Lucky last. Can imagine the miner's frustration finding this sort of material and not maybe really thick enough to cut into gems. It runs through every which way here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the specimens. Cheers.